horrible when you go to your garden or yard and find snakes have been lurking on your garden and your yard, looking for a place to nest for their next meal. You get upset because you don't know what kind of snake it is, and you panic. You can call an exterminator to see if they can come out and have control of snakes. But you can also use cinnamon oil. Yes, a very nice cinnamon oil that's pungent that you can spray and mix in water to deterrate the snakes from coming in your garden. Get a good cinnamon oil, add about 4 or 5 drops, maybe 8 drops to an 8-ounce water with a sprayer, and go out and defend your yard and garden by spraying this cinnamon oil around and about. Now, it depends on how you look at things. If you have a lot of debris, and if you have a lot of trash and a lot of wood and a lot of dirt and rocks, snakes make those places their home. So what you need to do is clean it out, straighten all it out, make it all level and clean. Spray this cinnamon oil mixture, and you'd be surprised how those snakes would stop coming in your garden. I hate a snake, and I'm pretty sure you do too. So try the cinnamon oil, a very good oil. Now, don't just get any kind, just get a very good oil.